So I am super excited. I have a new house. I'm going to branch out on my own and I'm going to start teaching, holding tutoring classes, sewing classes, soap making classes, all kinds of things, all the random things you see on this channel. And I got a place and it's so exciting. It's a beautiful place. Well, suddenly I have a lot of stuff and I've got to move it all in. Okay. Today I'm making my special rosemary tea tree oil essential oil soap that's going to have charcoal, a charcoal swirl in it. It's really beautiful soap. So let's get on with it.
Understood.